Hello everyone, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a business or professional email in cPanel because business emails are safer than the casual email. When I talk about the casual email, I mean the Gmail, the Yahoo.com, and all that. But before we go ahead, I would love you to subscribe to this channel for data security tips and tips about safe website. Yeah, so let's begin the tutorial. So I have here the first thing we see is email, and this is the section I'm interested in. So I click on email accounts right here. Here we are, and so we have the domain called iwadcat.com. But then I would love to create an account, maybe depending on what domains you have in your cPanel. You just select the domain, you click right here, and then you select the domain. So maybe, so I am going to select circumventtaking.com, and then I select a username. For example, maybe I'm creating an account for John. Yes, John. So if I finish creating this account, it will be called John at circumventtaking.com. So I need to set a password for John. So I'm gonna set for him a password. Maybe let's see. Let me just and mask this. John, or maybe Joe 123 at at my food. Yes, so the password is John123 at my phone. That is the password. Okay, so let me just close this. And so I am going to create now the account. And yeah, the account was created. You and up here there is a notification. Okay, so that is it. The account was created, and maybe I'll just scroll down a bit. Okay, so here I have my account here, John at circumventtaking.com. This is the account that we just created.